This is Remodel a Kitchen with our guided expert plan provided by Life.Cafe. So, remodeling a kitchen has an incredible amount of steps, and definitely, as it is the number one remodel to your home that could increase value, having a guide to take you step by step and let you know what you need to be thinking about is super helpful. So here's an action plan that you can use. It is free. It's created by our experts here at Life Cafe, and you can watch videos with their pro tips along the way at each step that are going to guide you through what you need to know. So these are tips from even things you should be thinking about to specifics about what you need to be asking your contractors and what categories of experts you're going to need along the way. So, as you go through any action card, let's say there's a card you want to remember or you're working on right now, feel free to heart any of your cards as you go along, and that will save it to your favorites page. So, great way to keep everything that you're working on right now. And when you're done using it, you can unfavorite those. So that's one tool that's super useful and helps you not have to worry about where all your notes and everything are, because you can just flip it over like that and write your notes here on the back of the card. So it will automatically save it and keep everything in one place. So keep that in mind for when you're using it. And at every step, it's really helpful to be able to pull up local resources. So I didn't even know, for example, some of these categories before starting a remodel of the kitchen. So it is really nice to kind of give you that head start where these are experts recommended vendors and categories you're going to want to look in. So let's click here and see if we can find some painters. And what it'll do is it'll search where I am. So if you are in New York, it'll pull up results in New York. If I'm here in San Francisco, you're going to see here my results in San Francisco. And again, all the cards I could save the ones I'm interested in contacting. I could flip over notes after I meet with them and put in their estimates and quotes. Keep everything really zen, all in one spot, right at the step. So take it one step at a time and focus on that and then move on to the next. So this is also has a deadline option. And what that means is that you can create a date. Let's say you want to have a remodel done by a certain time line. So maybe a birthday or a graduation or the holidays. Then you can always select what date you'd like, and then it will adjust the deadline dates for you to keep you on track. Now, these are just recommended and it is a guide. So as you start working with people, so you go along and you find your local resources, your local interior designers can also create action plans for you. So definitely once you found them and we've gotten you into the process and you feel good about knowing the information you need and selecting the right people and what to do next, once you're working with your local vendors, they have their own process, and that's wonderful and totally okay. So we would love for you to share with your local vendors that you do select and let them know that they can get free action plans on Life Cafe and help guide you through their process as well if you would like, or if they'd like to do it for their other clients. So keep that in mind. We always love the referrals and bringing more experts into the system. So if it's somebody you really enjoyed working with, we'd love to hear from them. This is remodeling your home and all the things you're going to need along the way, even down to the details of the last step, which is having that party and showing off your new kitchen. So, again, good luck with all of your planning, and we hope to see you on the next Life Cafe action plans. And any other questions that you have, feel free to reach out to us at info@life.cafe. Look forward to seeing you on the next plan.